Hello, my name is Janeline. I'm from the Philippines. I have over 3 years experience teaching Tagalog and English as a tutor. I also worked in the BPO company for 4 years where we catered American customer. I can teach English and Filipino. I am a graduate, a Bachelor of Science in Social Work. I'm TEFL certified, which means that I am qualified and eligible to teach English as a second or foreign language. Now that I am applying as an English teacher for foreign language speakers, I'm sure that I can fully equip to take on the meaningful teaching and learning episodes. I will make sure that I will train students with learner centered strategies. I will continuously use reinforcements that promote a positive learning environments. I will integrate pronunciation, error correction, timing, and phasing while allowing students to reflect on their own learning so that meaningful classroom interaction can be extended in their day to day context. Finally, despite being a well disciplined professional, I know that I can be fun, friendly, and quiet, easygoing. I know that I can always make myself relatable and listen to what is interesting to my students. If you wanted to learn, I am here to help. Hope to see you in my class. Bye bye.